Welcome to the cabin, a place of rest, relaxation, and peace. Have a seat at the table where you can look out the window. The cocoa is for you. There's fresh bread if you'd like some. There's also a slice of apple on the plate. You can smell the scent of pine in the air. You're surrounded by the forest. Stay as long as you'd like. It's cold outside and snowing. But here inside the cabin, it's warm and cozy. If you look out the window, you'll notice the animals of the forest. There are deer, rabbits, and squirrels, maybe even an owl. If you close your eyes, you'll open them in the kitchen. Cookies are baking in the oven and they smell delightful. It's so peaceful here, safe, warm, and comfortable. You're relaxing from the top of your head down to the bottom of your feet, as if the burdens you carry are just drifting away. Your shoulders relax, and your arms and legs become heavy. Let your eyes close. When you open them, you'll find that you're relaxing on the bed. The glow from the lantern is soft, and you'll notice a cookie on your plate. Your mind is quiet, your heartbeat is slow and steady. Enjoy this beloved poem by Robert Frost. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. As you open your eyes, this sense of peace, optimism, and hope will stay with you as you go through your day or evening. You may sense a change in your mood, which will linger, and you can always come back to the cabin with just one click.